Hello everyone. Today we are going to the tomato fields in the United States to see how farmers here cultivate and harvest billions of tomatoes. This machine is used to prepare the soil and raise the beds before the seedlings can be planted. In the United States, tomatoes are mainly grown in the state of California. After the soil preparation process is completed, the seedlings at the nursery will be moved here for planting. These machines will be used to grow about 5,100 tomato plants per acre. Most of the large fields here have a system of canals to supply water. The time from planting to harvesting tomatoes usually lasts from 70 to 80 days, depending on weather conditions. About 70 of the tomatoes here have turned red, and this is also when the harvesting process is carried out. The harvesting of billions of tomatoes is done by modern agricultural machines. The billions of tomatoes are then loaded onto trucks before being shipped to processing plants. In California, each acre of tomato plants typically yields 17 to 18 tons of ripe fruit. This is what happens at a ketchup factory here. The tomatoes are washed and then steamed cooked. Next, the tomatoes will be cleaned of the skin and then pureed. Later in the video, we will go to the peach orchards in the U.S. state of Georgia to see how the farmers here harvest millions of peaches before sending them to the factories. After about 4 years since planting, the peach trees here have started to harvest. Millions of peaches here are hand-picked to ensure they don't get crushed. Next, these peaches will be transported to the factory for packaging and processing of canned peaches. This is what goes on at a peach packing plant. Here, millions of peaches will be washed and disinfected before packing. We are currently at a factory that produces canned peaches. These peaches will be peeled and cut into small pieces before canning takes place. How do you feel about the cultivation and fruit harvesting in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.